Alright, you're asking yourself, how the hell do I mount this car seat in my Colorado? I'll show you a couple of different ways you could do it. You have to be careful. I mean, you want to make sure that obviously you're tying this down correctly. This is one of the car seats that we have. I really swear by this one. This one's good. It's a Graco. The Graco actually has these quick releases here. You push down on them like a seatbelt and they'll actually disconnect. This is actually really good. A lot of them have this style and this style only, where they're these little clips rather than this. So when you're trying to get them disconnected, this is a real pain to try to push up on this and try to get them out, because they tend to crush or hide these little loops up underneath the seat. So these are actually really good. You just push on it and they pop out. You push them in and they click into place. Now obviously you should pretty much know these little tabs indicate your tie downs for your car seat. One here and one here. So you're going to clip these into place like so. You're going to come in and then you're going to push down and then click it into place, and now you're secure. See, now with these I could just push this button and it comes right out. That's why I love these. The one thing that I had trouble finding is, because I do like to use that third lock, which the third seatbelt, which is this one in the back. It secures the seat even more. I had a little trouble finding it. Generally on most cars you'll actually have them like right up in here, these areas. If you pull up on the headrests, you tend to find them like right here. The Colorado, it doesn't have that, so what you're gonna have to do is push on this little button, drop your headrest down. This tab here, you're gonna pull up, pull forward like this. Seat's gonna drop down. Now this is your tie down point, see, indicated by that symbol there. So what you're gonna have to do is you have to take your headrest off. You're gonna take this headrest off by pushing this button in here and then lifting up, and then this will pop off like that. You're gonna have to put the car seat into place. Put your front seat forward, and then as you pull your seat forward, you'll have to actually take your seat belt, put it down, clip it into place, push the seat back, and then you'll be able to tighten up on this seat belt. Click this into place, click the other one into place, and then pull them tight. Generally what I do is I put my knee right down into this place, right down in here in the seat, driving the seat into the vehicle seat, and then I pull up onto the actual seat belt of the car seat, making it tight. Okay, so that's a quick tutorial on how to mount your car seat in your Colorado. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.